Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix if WhatsApp code is not received. So for this, we need to open our settings and here you need to scroll down until you find app management option. Click on it and now click on app list. Now here you need to scroll down until you find the messages app. Once you find it, click on it. Okay, so here it is. Now click on storage and cache and here in the bottom you will find clear cache option. Click on it and also click on clear storage. So this will fix your problem. If the problem still persists, then go back and open the Play Store app. So once the Play Store app is open, now search for messages. Okay, so now click on Google Messages. And here you need to update the app as my app is already updated. So in this way your problem will be resolved. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.